What is the value of this expression? Hi friends and welcome to TurboMaths channel. 2 squared plus 3 squared then divided by 7 minus 4. Let's figure out the right answer together. To solve this question, we need to follow a rule which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS shows the priority of the mathematical operations. If you don't pay attention to this rule, you get the wrong answer. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Don't forget, the multiplication and division have the same level of priority. Also, addition and subtraction have the same priority. When we have both in an expression, we start from the left and simplify the question. According to this rule, first we simplify the parentheses. In the first parenthesis, we have 2 squared plus 3 squared. 2 squared equals 4, and 4 plus 3 squared that equals 9, then divided by 7 minus 4. In this step, again we simplify the parentheses. Inside the first parenthesis, we have 4 plus 9 that equals 13. We have 13 divided by 7 minus 4. Again, we simplify the parentheses. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now we have 13 divided by 3. The final answer of this question equals 13 divided by 3. We can write it as follows: 13 over 3. Thanks for watching guys. To see more math videos, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.